parry at one game and then play the next one and it'll be completely off. So you gotta like readjust. You know what I mean? Because it's all different. Have you tried Lies of P yet, Blair? Another parry heavy game that's very difficult. Did not like it. Played it for maybe an hour. The parry windows feel super narrow. Yep. They're supposed to be even more narrow than the Sekiro ones. Got to the first boss, died a few times, then moved on. Smart. I got pretty far and just hit a certain area and was like, this is bullshit, I'm done. Like if I parry an attack, I expect it to interrupt everything they're doing, like that. Dies too many times on a game, unplugs PC. No one will defeat me. I pretty much rage quit that game. I was so pissed. I was only like an hour and a half in to stream and kept getting wrecked by the same little area. So I said, I'm done. We're gonna move on to a fun game. First time I've ever done that. This uncanny necessity to finish things after I've started them. Not uncanny, this terrible feeling. And so now I know, like, I've got Lies of P sitting there mocking me. Oh, you never finished me.